Nonya abateneri b'ekyombegia Athletics Kenya AK banyara gochengera ekera ngo kegeti kya Gusii Stadium kobagatie bitie biya bire isiko yore semeria Nairobi County ningo mogavana bwe county ya Kisii Simbarate na Kiribuna nanyare kubika enibo gweterense ya supplementary budget ya nyare kwenda segeti kya Gusii Stadium kwene kibuna chinse mo chitara ikirancha ko bachigo ikirana rindegeti kya Gusii Stadium geikere ebirengo bye biti bye chinse cheisiko.
Mr. President, next time when you're here, we'll have finished doing the 10 award. Again, we'll make sure this place, all of it, is connected with the PS system. Again, with the request I've seen you put across, we'll make sure this, what do you call them, hurdles, I will make sure they are provided with the equipment you have. I will ask my assembly to pass that supplementary again. Going forward, we plan to install an electrical scoreboard, a PS system, and a constructor's board for the stadium to accommodate indoor games. We have also set aside funds to construct a stadium in each of our 9 sub-counties. Next year, we plan to organize a sports tournament starting from the world level, culminating in the county final here at the stadium. We are also in talks with the Athletics Kenya to prepare for the Kisii County Half Marathon sometime in August and a fully marathon in December.